Surviving the noise of a nearby train route. We have a lot of railroad lines running through central New Jersey, and many homes lie beside or near railroad tracks. For some people, living near a rail line is just fine. They like trains. For others, the noise created by warning train whistles near level crossings and heavy freight cars rumbling by is very disturbing. I knew that New Jerseyans are not the only ones who have to deal with train noise, so I searched the internet to see what suggestions others have for coping with this problem. And I found a gem. In May 2011, the Nonsuch posted a question to ask Metafilter, "Help us reduce our new home's train noise problem." The question generated a lot of responses, many from fellow sufferers, and some really excellent ideas. The responses were posted by people who live in the UK, Canada, and the US. So, having to deal with noise is a very common problem. The principal ideas focus on building a shield between your home and the sound of the trains. For example, double or triple glaze the windows. Seal the windows and doors. Insulate the walls. Insulate the roof. Plant a row of dense hedges along the rail line. Sleep with earplugs. Put thick padding under the carpets. Build a sound-deadening wall. Reducing the noise of passing trains will require an investment, but the increased peace will be worth it. All of the photos in this video came from Dreams Time, which is a wonderful resource. Please note the marvelous photographers who took all of those photos.